Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off tiling keyboard sound on your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to this dialer and type numbers here. While you type, there will be sound, typing sound. If you would like to turn off this typing sound from dialer, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select system sound, and here select dialing keypad. Just turn off this button so that tiling keypad sound will be turned off. Hereafter, if you dial numbers from tiling keypad, there will be no sound. Now check. I gone to the dialer and I type numbers here, there is no sound. So in this way you can easily turn off tiling keyboard sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.